Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Technokasim YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm just going to unboxing this ring light, which I found the cheapest ring light ever in the market. This is coming with a combo, like with a stand and ring light. So let's see what is inside this box. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, click on subscribe button, then click on bell icon and be connected. So guys, first of all I am just going to unbox this stand. So let's see what is inside this box. This is coming with the box, and yes, this is the stand. So this stand, there is a clip that we can easily make big and smaller. So just a minute. Here we go, and this stand we can fix here. Okay, I'll just make a little bigger so it will stay very good. Yeah, that's perfect. So guys, this is the ring fill light. Just have a look, and we'll see what is inside this box. Before that, fill light and beauty phase, make phase and A in beauty, night core extreme, multiple color, temperature. And backside this, the ring supplement lamp is suitable for selfie and live video streaming, etc. It has the function of fill light, beauty phase, phase A, brightness, skin, etc. It can also adjust for 3 color temperature, and according to your favorite adjust. Is 3 colors are there, so various shade, and is equipped with a variety of heights and angles in use with the frame, which is a beauty weapon. So we'll see what is inside box. I'm just going to open this box. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the light, guys, and you know, there are some more things. Just this one is light. Okay, this light is coming with the switch. Here we can modify. Here we can plus, minus, and we can change the light. And this is, we can connect to charger. Okay, here is one, just a top is there. I will just remove, and yeah, that's how it is actually. Yeah, here we go. Okay, it's fine. And this is coming like this. I'll just make a little down, so you can see. Nice. And guys, this is coming with this. This is for what? Oh my god, this we have to fix here. Yeah, whatever it is, if it is work, don't touch. Like there is one famous quote in programming: if it is working, then don't touch. So I'll just remove this. Yeah, now it is. I think it's like this. Yeah, it is not very strong, but temporarily we can use. For professionally, I will not suggest to use this one. And for some little task, little lighting things, and this will go like this. There you go. And this, I believe, this is to stand for a mobile. We can keep mobile or something. Okay guys, I will just put this to charger. So let's see how is the light is. There is a button that we can on and off. And guys, we can change the light color, greeny. And this plus and minus, we can increase the power light and decrease. So guys, let's see how is the video is look like right now. So guys, price of this light is very cheaper. I found the cheapest one, this one. So I will mention in description, you can check description about for the price. So see you in next video. Bye bye.